is Molashree and I'm based from Alwar, Rajasthan. Educationally, I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's from Delhi University, Jesus and Mary College. And there also I have this commerce field called Spanish and Advertising program. So basically, I just joined Digital Vidya for like upskilling because I have to make my career in digital marketing only. And I am working as a freelancer side by side. Also, I've been placed in an internship from my college only, and I'm currently working as an influencer marketing at Experiences Digital. But it is like a credit based internship. So I am not currently full time enrolled in that. My focus is more on freelancing and the Instagram thing I'm doing. Digital Vidya, we were exploring many institutes when I talked to my parents that I have to do upskilling in digital marketing. So someone recommended me, like one of the my family friend only. He was also asking me he had to enroll into some entrepreneurial skills. He also had to upskill. So he recommended my father that everyone is doing it. You should just recommend your daughter this institution. It is Delhi only because that time I had to go to a remote. Like it wasn't that I have to do an online coaching. So I chose Digital Vidya, and it was a great experience. All the mentors were they were qualified, and it was a productive journey. I guess I learned a lot, and I have used the skills that I've learned into my freelancing also. I think productive changes are there because as a college student, we have a lot of free time. So as a student, if I talk as of now, I don't have much time now because I'm already occupied in so much, social media projects and engagements, and I am earning also. So that makes me independent at a very young age. I guess I was the youngest in my batch. I'm 19. So yes, to me it was a like great journey, and I am glad that I joined Digital India.